In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags drop-down columns and tags in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to create and customize a tag-style column, add new labels, and then actually use those labels on your tasks so your board becomes much easier to organize and filter. First, make sure you're on the right board inside your Monday.com workspace. Open the project or board where you want to work with tags and drop-down style columns. This is the main view where you see all your items or tasks laid out in rows, with different columns like status, owner, and due dates across the top. On this board, locate the column that's acting like your tag or drop-down column. It might already have a few colored labels or placeholder text inside the cells. Click directly on the column cell that you want to edit. This opens up the drop-down for that specific item. Inside that drop-down, you'll see any existing labels as well as an option to edit them. Look for the Edit Labels or Manage Labels option and click it. This is where you can customize the list of tags available in this column. It controls what everyone on the board can pick from. Now you'll see a panel with a series of colored labels. Click on one of the label name areas that's highlighted and start typing to rename it to something meaningful for your workflow. For example, you might type in a project phase, a client name, or a priority level. Renaming here updates that label for the entire column, not just a single task. If you need additional tags beyond what's already listed, look for the plus symbol or Add New Label option. Click that, and then type in the name of your new tag. Again, choose a name that will make sense to everyone using the board. Once your labels are set up, click on a new task row to see how this works in practice. Select the cell in that row under your People or Owner column to assign someone. Click on the Person field, then choose the appropriate person from the drop-down. You may see different accounts or workspaces, so make sure you select the correct work account if more than one appears. You can repeat this for additional tasks, picking the right person or team each time. If you have a team column, click it and choose the relevant team from the list, such as a specific project team. With your tags configured and your people or teams assigned, your Monday.com board becomes far more powerful, letting you filter, group, and report based on the labels and assignments you've just set up.